Are you looking for a genuine alternative to sixth form or traditional college? HTP Apprenticeship College offers a range of full-time career courses starting this September at our Riverbank campus in Newport on the Isle of Wight. With HTP Apprenticeship College, you can gain qualifications at levels 1, 2 and 3 in many different career subjects. We provide high-quality training in professional cookery, business, horse care and riding, health and social care, sports and fitness, nail technology and childcare. You also have the chance to resit your GCSE Maths and English or gain functional skills qualifications. HTP's Riverbank campus isn't like being at school. Our expert trainers will treat you as an adult and will help you to discover and develop your natural skills and talents. You don't need any previous experience or qualifications, just the desire to get your career started. The courses are designed to build your confidence while you gain qualifications and the valuable work experience you need to progress on to an apprenticeship, further education, university or a job.
To anyone leaving school this year, I would say give HTP a go. I believe that it's the best decision that I made.
It's easy to apply for a full-time course with HTP Apprenticeship College. We'll help you choose the right course for you. Get your career started by calling us on 01983 824 930 or visit htp.ac.uk.